Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError Frozenset object is not subscriptable. The error message, TypeError Frozenset object is not subscriptable, typically occurs when you try to access an element of a Frozenset using the square bracket notation, which is not allowed. This is because Frozensets are immutable and unordered sets of unique elements, and therefore do not support indexing. Here's an example of how this error can occur. When you run this type of example code, you will get this kind of error. In the above example, we are trying to access the first element of the Frozenset using the square bracket notation. However, this will result in a type error. Because Frozensets do not support indexing. To access elements of a Frozenset, you can use methods like Frozenset.pop or Frozenset union, which return a new Frozenset with the specified elements added or removed. Alternatively, you can convert the Frozenset to a list or tuple, which can be indexed using the list or tuple functions, respectively. For example,
hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.